So what's up, my people? This is Praise FX yet again, another new video of how can trading be easier. So in this video I'm just going to show you, or I'm going to explain how we manage to bank a 1 to 20 risk to reward ratio. We are trading USD JPY. Trading is good when you really master things, you get it. So this was the trade that we took out, and this was the before. It definitely played out as the way we wanted, and you can clearly see. If I try to share maybe the information here, it was 25th of June. It was around, yeah, that time. So this was just, I always keep that maybe for the history, you get it, until it played out all well up to TP1 and TP2. Still declared today, this was of 26 June. So without wasting our time, let us go on TradingView. I'm just going to use a replay button so that it can easily come into everyone's, like it can easily come to everyone's attention. So without wasting our time, let's just deep dive into. Now in most cases, I always tell the people that you should actually identify which type of trader you are, because that will bring less confusion to you. Simply, I know that I'm a day trader and an intraday. In case I manage to get some good trade and I've managed to hit a TP1 and TP2, then maybe TP3 or TP4, it's in the next day, right? So in most cases, I realize, first of all, you just have to have in your mind, you look into the current price action and you just realize that, yes, what is here is that price is trending to the downside. So you just have to clearly see that when price was pushing up here, it came, this was another block, it tapped in, that was a break of structure, boom, it retested. So we don't care, because us, those have just left us. There are very many ways you can spot a very good trade. Now we just realized that price until this level it pushed us, we didn't get. Now where are we getting into the market, or where are we getting in the market at the time? So most people are going to be like, here there is an imbalance, maybe, like, you just have to understand what type of trader you are and which strategy are you going to base on. Everything, you get it, because they are different concept, but the product or the output should be the same thing, you get it. Now as I always tell you, maybe many people who follow me, I always tell them that I normally focus on the 15-minute chart. As a day trader, that's what I take as my highest time frame. So I would clearly see, yes, the momentum is on the sellers, and what we are normally told to be like, you have to wait for the Fibonacci tool, and boom, it come back at a certain level. And I would clearly say that this was not favoring me, you get it. Now that was of no use at the moment, and I always tell you that there is this very good indicator. It really helps a lot. What does it helps me? Sorry, it just helps me to identify the high and the lows in the moment in the market. So that means I was just going, I had to mark that one, that's the high that was so near, and this one, and this one, and this one. So since these were two that are near, definitely those were equals high. So I was like, if price managed to come back down, it will get below that area, you get it. That means it will have to take all that out. Another thing, what was the alignment? You would clearly that it see that it was aligning with an H4 what? An H4 imbalance. Are we together? So they use, I think so. This is how things add up. You get it? Now this, I'm kind of a person who just like focusing on my own simple things. I personally like simplifying things, and I focus on the same trade that I'm looking at the moment. If it's one pair, it's until I enter, I hit a TP or a stop loss, then I get another pair. It's either my trade plays out or it fails. You get it? So what here works? One person was like, but you tell us, what do you have most people don't have? It's just we have the same information, the same knowledge, but I personally, I'm so much patient enough. You get it? I have been disciplined enough. So New York entered. You get it? Most people took the entry here. They first take them out. Exactly. So after seeing what I wanted to see in the market, that was a sweep, and definitely I knew price was just going to come back here. That's when you have to set your limits. So guys, trading, you can have different concepts as long as the end product, it's you're all seeing a sale. That is it. I'm trying to simplify this video because most people do not like boring long videos, but I can assure you this is worth it. You get it? You can repeat and repeat until you get something in the market. You get it? And definitely most people, I'm just going to show you, most people, this is how they entered. And most people tend to have this habit of like, if price goes their direction, they immediately bring their stop loss at their entry level, and that's bad. Yes, then why would you bring a break even, yet you manage to analyze each and everything? You took your time, you set your TP and your stop loss, then the market gives you, you just enter just for the market to come back, hits your break even and goes your side. So if you don't know how to set your break even, you can watch the video before this one. I was explaining how do I enter after price goes my way and how do I put to my break. You see, now here people would have started panicking, and me, after getting my entry, the use of that indicator is done. You get it? It's done. I just now have to wait and see what I actually get out of the market. I want to come back updating people that we managed to hit TP1 and TP2. You'd see now, if someone had entered with a break even up there, he would be taken out easier. You get it? And price goes your direction. But we managed to be so much patient. We managed to hit TP1 and TP2. So what's the use of TP1 and TP2? That means you have entered more positions, and that's good. Getting like one position and enter with a very big lot size, why not divide them twice and give one a chance to hit more than TP1? So it played out overnight, but eventually did play out well. Exactly, it was actually very good, a 1 to 20, 1 to 21 risk reward ratio. It played out. So that was it. That's how you can simplify your trading without, but I'm giving this, I'm assuming that you now know the basics. You are not fed up with a lot of information. You just want to see something and utilize it. Understand, wait for price to sweep, get momentum shift. I think the next lesson we shall talk about momentum shift, structure shift, and break of structure. Those are three different things that sound the same, that you need to understand one before you understand the other. So that was it, and I think after you watching this, that's how trading is going to be simply for you. That's the best way you can simplify your trading without all those difficult terminologies. Bye bye, see you next time.